and silence, and both carry divine purpose. Understanding this rhythm reveals how God moves in alignment with eternal order. The sound of heaven, the sound of heaven, sound in heaven is proclamation. It is worship, authority, and agreement with God's will. Angels cry, holy. Elders sing, and the prayers of saints rise as incense. Sound is activation. It shifts atmospheres and forces God's authority and releases change. The sound of heaven often precedes movement on earth. Walls fall, chains break, and territories are reclaimed, all in response to the sound that flows from obedience and alignment. When we join heaven's sound in worship, decree, or prayer, we are not merely participating, we are co-laboring with God to release His purposes. The silence of heaven, silence in heaven, silence in heaven is preparation. It is wait, reverence, and expectation. It is the pause that allows what has been declared to gestate, mature, or reach completion. Silence is strategic, not empty. It teaches patience, trust, and holy discernment. When we experience silence on earth, delays, pauses, or unanswered prayers, it may be heaven's way of gathering our offerings, aligning timing, or orchestrating breakthroughs that cannot yet be released in silence. God is not idle, He is perfecting what will soon move. The prophetic rhythm, sound and silence work together. Sound activates, silence sustains. Sound announces authority, silence ensures alignment. Sound is expression, silence is formation. Just as the pulse of creation alternates between movement and stillness, so does God's activity in the spirit realm. Learning this rhythm requires spiritual attentiveness. We must not be swayed by constant noise or impatient in pauses. Instead, we discern the timing of heaven, knowing when to speak, when to declare, when to worship, and when to wait. The faithful who attune themselves to this rhythm find their prayers weighted with authority and their obedience aligned with breakthrough. Heaven's pulse becomes their own, and their lives begin to reflect the timing and power of eternal movement. Creator of rhythm, we thank you for teaching us to discern your rhythm of sound and silence. Thank you for helping us to know when to worship, declare, or pray, and when to wait in holy expectation. Thank you for aligning us with the pulse of heaven, so that your purposes flow through us in their perfect timing. Holy, 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 high and holy low. Thank you, mighty Yeshua, for teaching us to flow.